Today's grocery haul is going to be a collaboration hosted by two very sweet YouTube friends, Jessica at Jessica Myros and Tiffany at Small Town 6. Please be sure to check their channels out along with the playlist down below. And my grocery haul will be from Ramey's, which is a local grocery store to us. And some of the things that I did pick up from Ramey's are 2 yellow and 2 red bell peppers, some apples, some grated Parmesan cheese, Country Crock original spread. That one's really good. Also some Vidalia sweet onions. These are our favorite, or my favorite to use when cooking. So I try to get these whenever they have them. Some roasted garlic mashed potatoes. These are our favorite. This is our favorite flavored one, and it's something very quick and easy, you know, for a side dish when you're in a hurry. Some teriyaki rice, the Knorr brand, and my daughter loves that one. Some cut green beans in the can, some Bisquick mix, also some fruit and nut granola bars. That's the cranberry and pomegranate flavor. Also have some fudge and milk chocolate brownie mix, and I have these for a recipe or a video that I'm doing some brownie hacks with, or brownie recipes. Some Cafe Mocha Coffee Mate, and I use that in my coffee, but I also use the Premier Protein shakes, so I add both of those. It kind of gives it a good flavor. And some root beer. I needed a 12 ounce, but I can only get the 20 ounce, so I'm gonna put that in my recipe and half it. Also some evaporated milk, some parsley, some fresh parsley, and they finally had some that was actually worth getting. Some mushrooms, and let's see, what else do I have? I needed some spinach, so I have 2 5-ounce containers of organic girl baby spinach. Some broccoli, and that's just the broccoli florets, and some broccoli florets, cauliflower and carrots, the steamed fresh ones, and or steamables. Some tomatoes, that's the sun-dried halves. Some chicken broth, and I like to use the less sodium for that when I use it in recipes. And you're gonna hear my grandson in the background. He's eating right now. Some marinara sauce, some garlic, and that's the minced garlic in the jar. My 7-Up Zero Sugar, my fries, which these are our favorites, and that's actually my grandson's favorite right now. Some mozzarella cheese, some family size 5-cheese tortellini. I'm gonna make that tonight, so that'll be in a what's for dinner type video. I have some pork, and this one is the Boston butt roast. So this one I'm gonna make some pulled pork in a crock pot, so that'll be for some crock pot recipes. I'll have a video out for that hopefully within another week or 2. Also some skinless chicken breast, and that's a pretty decent deal for the size that you get, and I usually cut these in half so it goes a little bit further. Also some Italian sausage, and I have the mild one. I'm gonna have to take these out of the casing. I've been trying to get just the sausage like in the pound where it's ground up, but they don't have it, so I've been having to buy these and then, you know, take it out of the casing and fry it up like that, which doesn't take too long, so it's okay. So anytime you need like a sausage that you need to crumble up, you just take the casing off of those and it'll work fine. Some Smithfield cooked bacon, and these are great in a pinch when you need to add bacon to a recipe. You can just make those in the microwave real quick. Some, I don't like the price of this, but it is some honey turkey, and this will go a little far for me, and I do freeze this, so this will stretch for a few sandwiches. And some walnuts for a snack. And I did need some hamburger buns, so I have 2 packs of Pepperidge Farm, the soft white ones, and those were really fresh. Some Nature's Own whole grain bread. And this is gonna be the meal plan for the week. So from Monday through Sunday, these are the recipes that I have written down.
So Monday I'm going to do homemade spaghetti sauce, and this is made in the crock pot. This is a great one to make because it makes a lot. So I'm going to freeze the leftovers, and that's even after we have this for, 2 nights. So it does make a lot, which is great because you can put that in the freezer and have, 1 or 2 more meals ready to go, on a night that you need something really quick to make. And on Tuesday I have creamy beef in shells. This is similar to like a hamburger helper, but it's homemade, so you kind of know everything that's going into this, which is great. Some burrito enchiladas on Wednesday, and this is what the recipe is called. So I think it's kind of like a burrito enchilada type recipe. And on, Thursday, I have crock pot pulled pork sandwiches, and that's really simple and easy to make. It's kind of like a dump and go crock pot meal. Some spinach mushroom tortellini bake on Friday, and some mini meatloaves. That's a sheet pan meal. I think I'm going to do some potatoes and maybe some asparagus with this, so I can have a vegetable on a side kind of with that. Some chicken and rice in the crock pot. This is a Sunday meal, so this one is super easy to make. And as you can see, I have a lot of crock pot type meals here, so I'm going to be doing a crock pot video again, and also a lot of what I cooked for dinner type meals. So that's what some of these are. And be on the lookout for those videos, because hopefully those will be coming out within the next week or 2, I'm hoping. So as I said, this is, Monday through Sunday of, my meal plan. And I also have another video that's going to be coming out with brownie hacks. So I'm taking a brownie mix and just making some recipes, or, hacking the box brownie mix, making different things with them. So hopefully you will enjoy that video as well. So be on the lookout for those. And that's going to be it for this grocery haul. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to check out Jessica and Tiffany's channels, along with the playlist down below of my YouTube friends who are also sharing their grocery hauls. And I know you'll find some different items maybe you haven't thought of that were at your store, and you can go find them and get those and add them to your meal plan. So I will see you next time. I hope everyone has a blessed day and a great week. God bless y'all.